Hello, in front of me I've got DJI Lito X1. In this video I'll show you what is the maximum speed of the drone. Maximum speed of the DJI Lito X1 is 18 meters per second in sport mode and 12 meters per second in normal mode. Those can be adjusted in the settings of the drone. Go to safety, then enter control and next go to gain and expo tuning. Here you can adjust maximum horizontal, ascent and descent speed for Cine mode, normal and sport mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.